Hello everyone. I read and I will beat you COVID-19 for India, for world and for humanity. If you too love reading, just take the Scholastic pledge and get started with your favorite book. The book that I have picked up for today is The Magic of Thinking Big, my favorite book since more than 2 decades. And I'm going to selectively read out to you chapter number 12, which is Use Goals to Help You Grow. Before I get started, the reason that why I picked up this book and this chapter is right now everybody who is staying inside during self-quarantine is worried about what's gonna happen after lockdown is over, how we are going to deal with the economy situation. And this chapter talks about how to deal with things in long run. So just a quick reading. Let's get started. Every bit of human progress, our inventions, big and little, our medical discoveries, our engineering trends, our business successes, were first visualized before they became realities. Baby moons circle the earth not because of accidental discoveries, but because scientists set conquer space as a goal. A goal is an objective, a purpose. A goal is more than a dream. It's a dream being acted upon. A goal is more than a hazy, "Oh, I wish I could." A goal is clear, that is I work towards. Nothing happens, no forward steps are taken until a goal is established. Without goals, individuals just wander through life. They stumble along, never knowing where they are going, so they never get anywhere. Goals are as essential to success as air is to life. No one ever stumbles into success without a goal. No one ever lives without air. Get a clear fix on where you want to go. The important thing is not where you are, but where you want to go. I repeat, the important thing is not where you are, but where you want to go. The Progressive Corporation plans company goals 10 to 15 years ahead. Each of us can learn a precious lesson from forward-looking business. We can and should plan at least 10 years ahead. We can and should plan at least 10 years ahead. You must form an image now of the person you want to be in next 10 years. This is a critical thought. Just as the business that neglects to plan ahead will be just another business. The individual that fails to set long-range goals will certainly be just another person lost in life's shuffle. Without goals, we cannot grow. So just this little extract that I read out to you, the primary reason that I read out to you this particular part was I wanted to highlight to each one of you that you know what, this quarantine, I do not know how long it's actually going to last, but even if we assume, let's say it's already been more than almost a month in many parts of the world, and much more than that in other parts of the world. But even if we assume that it's gonna take longer than this, what would really matter in long run is that how we plan further, how we think ahead of it, and our planning should be long enough. If we can think 10 years ahead in mind, we will definitely come out of everything in a way that we will reach where we intend to reach in 10 years. That's my thinking. That's the magic of thinking big. Thank you so much.